Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to do a problem on integration by parts. So I will share my screen with you. Says find the integration of x multiplied by e to the power of minus 4x dx. Here we will use integration by parts. So solution, use integration by parts. Which states integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. Okay, so that being the case, let's define first what is dv. So dv, let dv is equal to e to the power of minus 4x dx. That will lead to v, when I do the integration on both sides, is integration of e to the minus 4x exponent for minus 4x dx, which is equal to, now if I do integrate minus e to the power of minus 4x, the minus term will come, then it will be that because of the 4, it will be minus 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x. Okay. Minus 4x. So because of the minus 4 in the exponent for e inside the integration, the minus term will come outside, and 4, because of 4, it will be 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x. And let u is equal to x, then that will lead to du is equal to dx. So using integration by parts, we get integration by parts. Integration of x e to the power of minus 4x dx is equal to u times v. Now u times v is x multiplied by minus 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x. Okay. Minus v du, integration v is minus 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x, and dx is du. So v du is dx. Okay. So this will be equal to, I distribute the x inside the parenthesis, so minus x by 4 e to the power of minus 4x. Okay. Minus, I do the integration because of the power minus 4, that will be coming outside, and that will make it minus 1/16. That with the minus will make it a positive, plus 1/16 e to the power of minus 4x plus c, where c is an integration constant. C is equal to integration constant. integration constant. So just to get you a tip what's going on. First, we identify which one will be u. So we have to do integration by parts, which is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus v du. So let's identify which part will be dv. Let's define dv is equal to e to the power of minus 4x dx. Then we will do integration on both sides to get v is equal to integration of e to the power of minus 4x dx. Now, since in the exponent for e is minus 4x, when you integrate that minus 4 becomes minus 1/4 outside, and e to the power of minus 4x. And let u is equal to dx, then du is equal to dx. Okay. So integration by parts, I'm going to use that formula. Integration of u dv is equal to uv minus v du. My u is x, my v is minus 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x minus integration of v, which is minus 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x, and du is dx. So when I distribute the x inside the first parenthesis, I get minus x over 4 e to the power of minus 4x, and then I'll do the integration of minus 1/4 e to the power of minus 4x. Because in the exponent there is coefficient of x is minus 4 e to the power of minus 4x. When we integrate it, that minus 4 will come in the denominator, and that will become minus 1/16. But that minus 1/16, when multiplied the minus by the minus sign outside the integration, becomes positive 1/16 e to the power of minus 4x plus c. Do not forget c, where c is the integration constant. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And if you have a question, you can always shoot me an email at sn_88@hotmail.com. And I'll come back next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. See you next time.